Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm coming at you from the Pickle Factory kitchen where we're going to do an unboxing of items and talk about what to expect in your Olive My Pickle order. Let's get this box open. The first thing you'll see is we've sent along some fun info for you. Be sure to read the green sheet. It's going to answer all of your questions. Your order is all packed up in this insulated mailer. Be sure to open it up along this side seam so you don't puncture any of your pouches. You may have noticed that your ice packs arrive melted. That's okay. They've done their job at keeping your ferments cool enough during transit. Let's talk about puffy pouches. Temperature fluctuations during transit can cause fermentation to resume, resulting in puffy pouches. So here's what to do if one of your pouches looks like this. This is easy. Just open it up a little bit and let the air escape. Then just seal it up until you're ready to enjoy. Well, I had so much fun doing an unboxing with you guys today. I'm gonna go pop these into the fridge. Be on the lookout for your Olive My Pickle order soon. I'm coming at you from the Olive My Pickle Factory where I'm Michelle and I'm in the Olive My Pickle Factory kitchen. As there are a few things on what to expect with your Olive My Pickle order. The first thing in your box is going to be some fun paperwork we've sent along with you. The first thing in your box is some fun paperwork that The first thing you'll see is we've sent along some fun paperwork for you. It's going to answer all of your questions.
Okay, again.
Forgot to say the green sheet. Did I say paperwork?
You said fun paperwork. Okay.
Delete.